Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Measure and assemble ingredients. 2 cups tender coconut water, 1 cup grated tender coconut, 3 egg whites, 1/2 cup sugar, 2 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tsp vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and prepare 3 6-Oz ramekins by buttering and dusting with sugar or fine coconut. Keep ingredients at room temperature, whisk eggs last, and have a large bowl and rubber spatula ready. Mise en place saves time and keeps the souffle light and consistent. Combine 2 cups tender coconut water, 2 tablespoon cornstarch, and 1/2 cup sugar in a saucepan and cook over medium heat, stirring until it thickens into a custard. Remove from heat and stir in 1 cup grated tender coconut and 1 tsp vanilla, then cool to lukewarm. In a separate clean bowl, whisk 3 egg whites with a pinch of salt to soft peaks, then add remaining sugar gradually until glossy. Gently fold whipped whites into the cooled coconut custard in 3 additions to keep air pockets intact. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F if not already hot. Spoon the folded coconut soufflé batter into 3 buttered 6-Oz ramekins, filling each to 3/4 to allow proper rise. Smooth the top with a spatula and run a finger around the rim to help it climb evenly. Bake on the middle rack for 18 to 20 minutes until risen and lightly golden. Avoid opening the oven door. Serve immediately for best texture. Dust with powdered sugar or toasted coconut. And note leftovers keep in the refrigerator up to 24 hours, but will lose height when reheated.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.